What if I tell you that there's a pile of money all around your neighborhood right now? What I'm talking about is boring ass businesses. Businesses that are really not sexy, especially in the era of social media where everybody wants to become either an influencer, make Wi-Fi money, or sell a course. And they sell a course and that's how they become millionaires, but then they tell you anyway. The reason why I'm talking so much about this is because I'm the owner of a very boring business that generates almost $2 million a year. And we're only starting. When I was 22 years old, I knew that I was going to become an entrepreneur and that it was a matter of time, and I was extremely lost, but I knew that I didn't want to have a boss. I wanted to do my own thing. I wanted to have freedom of time, which for me was more important than anything else. I did what everybody does. I went online, how to make money online, and I saw like blogging, affiliate marketing, selling books, and different things like that. And let me tell you something, boy. I tried almost everything. I'm not saying that these things don't make money. A lot of people generate money on this, but selling you the dream that it's so easy and all you have to do is buy my course is something that I'm disgusted by. And after paying thousands of dollars in courses that did not lead me anywhere and realizing that all this information is free online somewhere, I decided to look at businesses that are more tangible, meaning like stores where people come in. I was either gonna sell a product or a service, and I opted for the service. I went in the dry cleaning route. I bought my first dry cleaner 11 years ago, and I knew absolutely nothing about dry cleaning. I had to learn with the old owner, making sure that I'm learning all the ropes of this business. I was working for free for many weeks in order for me to understand the principle of this industry. Slowly with time, we started offering other services like shoe cleaning, carpet cleaning, wedding dress cleaning. We even do gutters cleaning at this point, because I believe so heartedly that these service businesses, they do not die. People will always need them. If we do the right moves and we're all over their faces in our local area, there's no way for us not to generate some money, especially if we're hard workers, we have great work ethics, and we're honest. Your business reputation takes time to build, but once you have it, word of mouth spreads like wildfire. I'm making these videos in order for people that are looking for a business to start looking at service industries that are slowly dying because most of the owners of these businesses, they're baby boomers. Call your local dry cleaner and ask to speak with the owner, and you're gonna see this person is probably in their late 60s, 70s, and sometimes 80s. And the problem that's happening right now in every service businesses is that there's not enough demand for these businesses compared to the people that want to exit and sell. And that, my friend, is called opportunity. This is why the private equity firms are buying them non-stop in the US right now, rebranding them and making them as franchise, because they understand that there's a huge opportunity within the next 10 to 15 years. And my question to you is, why not us? Why not you? Now I understand private equity firms have millions of dollars in the bank account. They're able to make moves that we can't. But there's many ways for you to start generating an amazing revenue for you and your family just by serving your local area and slowly growing with time.